Hey, what is up guys and gals? Welcome back to another Brandoncoin video. Today we're going to be building a streaming / gaming PC for a friend of mine. I thought I would explain this in the beginning because I didn't do a good job while I was actually at his house putting it together. But this is basically like the $600 to $700 price range depending on what deal you get on parts. We pretty much watched Amazon and eBay and was able to snipe some deals on like the Ryzen 7. He got like for $159 and that kind of stuff. But he's using this system now. He's doing a great job. His link for his Twitch is down below in the description. But enjoy us like, you know, time montaging putting this thing together. So yeah, I turned him into a miner too, guys. So he's mining on his system when he's not using it. So enjoy the video. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brandon and I am back. I have a friend over here to the side right off screen. It's Billy. He's a viewer, fellow watcher, and also a Twitch streamer, but he wants to get up to date because he was streaming on console, but he wants to come over to the computer world. So we have him a good entry level, mid to high range, depending on how you look at it, computer build. We're starting off with the graphics card, RX 580 Sapphire Nitro Plus, 8 gig of course, so got a little bit of horsepower there. For a boot drive, he's got a Western Digital 1 terabyte M.2 drive. Don't have to worry about any extra SATA cables or power cables. Just goes straight onto the motherboard. And speaking of the motherboard, we have the Asus Prime B350 Plus. Big boy right there. So it's the reason why I kind of like pushed him towards a B350 especially is because it's got like 2 PCI Express 16 slots. So if you wanted to add another graphics card to do a little bit more mining. He's not a miner yet, but he's gonna be soon. I'll get him there. I'll get him there. The horsepower for this operation is a Ryzen 7 1700 with the stock cooler, not the X model, because it doesn't come with the cooler. And honestly, the stock air cooler is pretty good, even with the factory or even if we bump up past the factory clock speed and put a little overclock on it. Power supply, that's gonna be powering this bad boy. Thermaltake 80 plus rated Smart Series 500 watt, plenty of power. As for RAM, he is expandable later because he's got 4 RAM slots on the motherboard, but the first 2 slots are going to be occupied by 8 gig sticks, so he's going to have 16 gigs of G-Skill rip jaws, and this is the 3200 megahertz, so we got some good RAM speed for that Ryzen. Ryzen loves good RAM speed. As for the case, we're actually going with another Fractal Designs Focus G. If you watch my last build, actually, I just built out one of these in another system with like a Ryzen 3. I like this case for the value. It's like a $40-something case. By the way, the links for all this stuff will be down below in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you buy stuff, thank you. If you don't, thank you anyway. As for monitors, he went with a 24-inch curved and a 27-inch. So I don't know which one he's actually going to be gaming on. I assume maybe the curved. I don't know. We'll get it all set up and built here. But yeah, cue the fast forward montage. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, it is together. The camera kind of cut off halfway through the time lapse, so I don't know exactly how much you saw or didn't see, but it's looking good. I'm curious to see how it's all gonna light up here in a second. We're about to plug it in and fire it up and get Windows thrown on it, but yeah. How you feeling, Billy?
Feeling great.
Feeling great.
Looks clean.
Brand new to the, back to the PC world. It's been a while since he's been in it, so good looking little setup for sure. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the computer is fired up and running. We got the beautiful Sapphire lit up. We have that Ryzen 7 with the, I think that's the Spire cooler all lit up, and even got some case fan light in there. So decent little budget build. We have Origin up and running. We're installing Apex Legends, but I don't think I'm going to be able to spend enough time because it's got like another 20 minutes and I got to leave here soon. But we are up and mining on the Radeon RX 580. It's an 8 gig Sapphire Nitro Plus, and pretty much right out of the box it's doing 27 mega hash, switched over to compute mode. We're not going to BIOS mod this since he's going to be using this for a gaming and streaming system. Right now at 27 mega hash it's doing 40 cents a day, and if we turn the CPU on, just stock clocks, it's estimating 47 cents a day. It's like almost halfway through the estimation thing, so it could go up a little bit, go down, but so basically almost a 50 cents a day computer. And yeah, so he's stoked. He's never been mining anything up until now, so the biggest thing is he can mine on the graphics card and still do basic functions like watching YouTube and that kind of stuff. We're not sure if he's going to be able to game while he's mining on the graphics card. I don't know if the 580 is going to play nice with that or not. I know some cards, like my old R9 290X, I could game, I could do whatever I wanted and still mine on it. It would get a little warm, but it put up with it. So we also, he does have a Twitch, and he's going to be on Streamlabs. We got a Streamlabs set up right here. So I will put his Twitch link down below in the description. So if you want to see what this system does, like real world, real time, he goes live, what, almost every evening?
Every evening, yeah.
Every evening on the Eastern Standard Time, so probably after 5 p.m. Mm-hmm. Yep, so check him out, and link down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.